What's up fans and anyone that's new to the channel? We have the Seagate Firecuda Gaming Hub. Now this is 16 terabytes. What a mammoth. So we're going to unbox it and give you a bit of a rundown through it. But before I get into that, really important public service announcement. Please subscribe to the channel and comment and like, all that stuff. Help us get pushed higher in the rankings. And if you enjoy cars, we also have a motoring channel, which is really cool. Drag races and stuff. Even if you don't like cars, just check it out. It helps me out a lot. Anyway, let's get right into it. This is a brand new Firecuda Gaming Hub, as you can see. Now we opened and reviewed the portable version. This is the hub, which has external USB ports and all that really cool stuff. Now I should have bought something to open this with. I'm gonna find something. This is a big chunky box. Now what does it say? 1 year limited warranty, 2 year or 3 years. Okay, it depends on where you are located, how much of a warranty. Oh yes, cool, color coordination. Look at that. If you're in these countries, which is Australia, go Australia. And everyone in there, you get 3 years. And then those parts get 2 years. And then those parts get 1 year. Sorry, America and the rest. You guys only get 1 year. Anyway, so yeah. Cool little chart there. All right, we're finally in the box. Hooray. Oh. This is proving to be more challenging than I ever expected in opening a box. All right, there is the mammoth, this 16 terabyte behemoth of a hard drive. As you can see, this is where you get your power, because it does need to be powered. You can't just plug it in willy-nilly like a portable drive. That's your USB port we plug it into. There's probably some reflection on this, but on the front is a USB 3 and a USB-C port if you want to charge stuff. You get stickers. You get information about how to plug in a USB port. And learn more. If you really want to learn more, you can. And then you got to plug it in because it's a big boy. Big boy. You know what's funny on this? We have USB A, USB B, and USB C. Alright, that's it. This is the last bit. And in here, I suspect, will be... Okay, they crammed a lot into here. I'm impressed, first off. There is your USB port to plug it in, and this is just your charger. That whole thing. It's got a whole brick here. It plugs in. Oh. It also comes with adapters for like every country. That's why it's so big. So it's got my little Australia one here, the American, the British. Very nice. Okay, so you can plug in anywhere. Very universal. I rate that. Just so you know, wherever you are. Okay, and there it is. Now, because it's the gaming hub, it's got the RGB, the cool lighting, orange underneath. It has features. Connects via USB 3.2 Gen 1 for easy plug and play. Connect and power your peripherals with front-facing USB-C and USB-A ports. Customizable RGB with full color and pattern control via free Seagate Toolkit software. Works with Razer Chroma RGB. Windows and Mac. You can also ignite your battle station. Create an epic gaming atmosphere with customizable RGB LED lighting. Stands vertical or horizontal for ultimate battle station flexibility. Look, I mean, I don't know how flexible a solid 2 kilo tank is, but it can bend like a gymnast. And yeah, it connects with Mac or PC. You can format it. If you want Mac, you use APFS or Mac OS Journaled. If you want PC, I mean, you probably use exFAT, works on both Mac and PC. Yeah, but if you want Time Machine for your Mac, you're going to need the Apple formats. And I can do, just ask me a question if you have questions about formatting, pretty easy to resolve. But there is the Firecuda Gaming Hub, just so you get a bit of an understanding of what it looks like, what's in it. Stay tuned for more videos. We've done a lot of hard drives, a lot of gaming things, audio, just everything, random stuff. Also got our car channel, like I said, if you do want to check out cool motoring content. But anyway, there it is, Firecuda Gaming Hub, 16 terabytes. Comes in different sizes. This is one of the biggest. You can get less, and the portable version comes up to 5 terabytes. So there's the difference between the portable, much less storage, the big one, the big dog, the big daddy, huge storage if you need it. So thanks for watching. If you have made it this far, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.